friends, I'm Tom. And I'm Mia. We flew all the way to Australia today. Australia, Australia, hop and play. Meet amazing animals every day. Tom and Mia love this wild land. Come explore with us, hand in hand. Kangaroo goes boing, boing, boing. Baby Joey, what a thing. Hop, hop, hop across the red dirt.
Boing, boing, boing.
Does it hurt? No, 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 just hop along.
Boing, boing, boing.
Sing our song. Koala goes munch, munch, munch. Eating gum leaves, that's his lunch. Sleeping high up in the tree. Munch, munch, munch. So lazily, fluffy ears and button nose. Munch, munch, munch. Off he dozes. Platypus goes splash, splash, splash. Duck-billed beaver tail, what a clash. Swimming in the river blue. Splash, splash, splash. So strange but true. Weirdest animal you'll ever see. Splash, splash, splash. Swimming free. Australia, Australia, what a day. Kangaroo and koala, hip hooray. Platypus splashing in the stream. Australia's the wildest dream. We met 3 animals far away. Kangaroo, koala, platypus, hooray. Tom and Mia had so much fun. See you next time, everyone.